In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can highlight or pin a song on your profile. So let's say you're a musician or you're an upcoming musician on Audiomack and you released a couple music, but then you have a new music that you want people to listen to. Anytime they hop on your profile, they see that music. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's very simple and easy. So what you need to do is hop on your Audiomack like this on your mobile phone, and at the top right corner of your screen, you tap on the settings here. Good. So on your settings, just tap on your profile like this. Good. So after tapping on the profile, what you need to do is tap on, you can see this is something I've released because of this tutorial. I tap on the three buttons there. Good. Now I scroll down, scroll, and you can see highlight on your profile, and you can see the pin symbol there. So tap on the pin there. Good. So now it's been highlighted. So that's it on how you can highlight some music on your profile. So anytime someone hops on your profile, they see that music to be the first one. So if you are new here, you give me a like and you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on Audiomack, so you can check that out on my channel. So that's it for the video. Peace.